I'm Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We are Max Living Health Center in Fishers, Indiana, and I'm here with you today to share you with a summer snack that is cooling and refreshing, delicious. So we just picked from our garden a couple cucumbers. They're also fresh at the farmer's market as well as at the grocery store. And so you're gonna see here I've got some cucumbers sliced up, and then I like to top them with a little bit of goat cheese. So we get our goat cheese from Costco, and they literally have them like 2 for the price of 1 compared to other places. And they're also simply plain. If you get the ones that are already sweetened or have herbs in them, they tend to be more expensive. And so we simply get the plain goat cheese and sweeten it ourselves at home. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's a great appetizer to bring towards for like a friend to get together or potluck or such. And so I'm just gonna take the goat cheese and I'm gonna cut it open, and then I've let it set for just a couple hours just to make it easier to work with. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that goat cheese into my container. Okay, and I'm gonna add just a tablespoon of honey. This honey is from my mom's farm, which is delicious and local here in the Midwest. You can find local honey at farmers markets, at Earth Fare, Fresh Time, or simply ask around to friends and family that you know. And then if you need to, you can add just a tablespoon of water. And if you'd like, you could add some herbs to this as well. Basil or a dill may be delicious choice, or a basil. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste here. And I either serve the goat cheese right next to the cucumbers, or sometimes I'll go ahead and serve them on top of the cucumber pieces to make them look extra nice and pretty at a party. They're delicious.